Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Journal with Tanishq. Today I'm gonna teach you all how to make a realistic looking eyeball which is very easy to be made, at the same time is not time taking at all. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. We start off with the base of an eyeball. We draw two circles, an inner and an outer circle. We further even add a reflection on top of the inner circle in order to make the eyeball look much realistic. We also add a few lines between the inner and the outer circle, not necessarily to be exactly straight. We make them uneven and they're also present in a real eyeball. These are nothing but the details of an eyeball in order to make it much realistic. If you're done making the base of your eyeball, you can go ahead and start shading your masterpiece. I started off by shading the inner circle. After shading the inner circle completely, I started darkening the outline of the eyeball. If anybody out there is curious to know as to what pencils I've used in this drawing, I have used Camlin charcoal pencils. They are super dark and also come in 3 different textures. So it is perfect not only for realistic drawings like one of these, but you can also use them in many other artwork types of yours. Therefore, I highly recommend you guys using one of these. After shading the inner and the outer circle completely, I started shading the part which is present between both of them. At first, it might not look as interesting, but the results at the last are really satisfying. Well, I know it is looking a little clumsy out here, but slowly it starts turning into the eyeball which you people are expecting. This is the last stage of making an eyeball, that is adding the details to make it look realistic. So guys, here is the final result. Make sure to comment as to how my drawing turned out, and like, share and subscribe to my channel if you love my artwork.